Hi everyone. In this video, you will learn on how to check TPM version in Windows 10 and 11. TPM, Trusted Platform Module, is crucial hardware required to install and run Windows 11. In its predecessor, Windows 10, there was no such requirement, and Windows 7 and 8 users have easily upgraded their OS to Windows 10. Although Microsoft offers a free upgrade from Windows 10 to Windows 11, there is no joy for you without TPM. TPM version 2.0 is now a minimum requirement to run Windows 11. If you are not aware of TPM, we will give you brief details in this post. In this GearUpWindows article, we will show you easy methods to check the version number of TPM in Windows 10 11s. There is no need to install a third-party tool to know the version of TPM installed on your computer. What is TPM, and why is it required to install Windows 11? TPM chip is a crypto processor, and this TPM technology is used to provide hardware-based security features instead of just software-based security to your sensitive data. A TPM chip can be used to store encryption keys, credentials, and other sensitive data. If you want to know more about TPM technology, head over to the Microsoft webpage, link provided in video description, and read more about it. How to check TPM version in Windows 10 and 11 using run command. To check TPM version in Windows 10 or 11 using run command, first, open the Run dialog box by pressing the Windows logo plus or keys simultaneously. In the Run command box, type tpm.msc and hit Enter from the keyboard. If you see an error message saying that the compatible TPM cannot be found, it may be that TPM is turned off on BIOS/UEFI or not present on your PC. If your PC supports TPM, the TPM manufacturer information section will display the TPM version. The specification version is your TPM version. How to find TPM version in Windows 10 and 11 through Device Manager. You can also find out TPM version in Windows 11 or 10 machine through Device Manager. For that, click on the Search button from the Windows taskbar and type Device Manager. From the available search results, click on the Device Manager to open it. Click the Security Devices to expand. Under it, you can see the TPM version number. Please note that if the TPM module is turned off in BIOS/UEFI, it will not show in the Device Manager. That's it. Bye. See you on next video.